In the heart of Dubai, where innovation meets imagination, a new chapter of luxury begins. This architectural marvel is more than a home. We proudly present the world's largest wellness residential tower. Spread across 8 floors of pure serenity and luxury, a sanctuary crafted to elevate your mind, body and soul. With 65 plus world-class amenities, every corner, every detail and every breath invites you to live consciously and beautifully. Because true luxury is not where you live, it's how you live. Book your apartment with 20% down payment now and 75% for handover. For the rest, 1% for 24 months. This is a great deal. You pay only 75% until handover. Once you receive your apartment keys, you'll be paying 1% monthly for 2 years. For more info, please contact Propertyshoma.